now a question in my mind comes that is education solely responsible for the conduct? I mean, are there not any other factors that is responsible?
See, we have just discussed this point, that when it comes to the human being, right, his conduct is decided by assuming, recognizing and fulfilling, right, without knowing or with knowing, right. So, the conduct of human being will depend upon whether the person has the knowing or he does not have the knowing, right. And what is the activity which will ensure this knowing? Education, right. That is the meaning of education. So, education is supposed to ensure the knowing in the self of human being. It is supposed to ensure the assuming on the basis of knowing, and then develop the practice, the skill for recognizing and fulfilling on the basis of knowing and assuming. So, all this has to be done by the through the process of education. So, in that sense this education and sanskar put together is responsible for ensuring the conduct of human being. So, if the human being is exhibiting an inhuman conduct or indefinite conduct, it is because of the inhuman education. If it is exhibiting a definite conduct, it is because of the human education, definite human education. So, yes, education is solely responsible for the conduct of the human being, right. But normally what we think when we say education, we mean formal education, right. So, if you ask this question whether the formal education is the one which is solely responsible for the conduct of human being, no. We have discussed there are three major contributors, right, in education. One is the parents, that is the family. Second is the education, your formal school, colleges and all that, university, and third is the whole society, the environment of the society. So, all three of them are contributing, right. So, you can see that the common human conduct is decided by education, right. But so education sanskar is solely responsible for human conduct, but who are responsible for human education and sanskar? The parents, right, or the family in general, the teachers, the formal education and the social environment as a whole. So, all of them are responsible. All of them are responsible for education and sanskar, and education and sanskar is responsible for the conduct of human being. Yes.